meeting people's rights isn't just this thing that we should do in law. People have a right to have their rights met, full stop, of course, but meeting people's rights creates a better working environment. So it's better for the team, which in the long run has better outcomes for the people that we work with. The difficulty about rights-based is that it's easy to forget people's rights. In times of stress, we almost feel like we're working to give people something. And actually what we're doing is they have rights to those things. A rights-based approach isn't just that I get my rights met. It's that the people around me get our rights met, because that benefits me. That diversity in people being happy at work doesn't just help them, it helps me as well. It helps have better outcomes. Recognizing that people have different ways of working, different needs. So not having those fixed hours where you're sitting there watching what time someone gets to work or what time someone finishes work, much more judging them by the output that they do, which then recognizes people who may have, for example, caring responsibilities or disabilities or differing needs. I know a student who was struggling to get to lectures because she needed to find somewhere to pray on Friday afternoons, and I just said, "Oh, use Byron." It feels like a really tiny thing, and she attended all her lectures. So it's not necessarily a set of skills that you learn from a book, but it's attitudinal change and changes and ongoing changes. And sometimes it becomes a really difficult thing to articulate because it's not necessarily a thing that I have to think about. It's the way I am and the way people expect me to respond. So it's just the culture of the way I work.